Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the LG Instaview refrigerator, a state-of-the-art appliance that combines innovative features, sleek design, and superior performance to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Known for its distinctive knock-on window and smart technology, the Instaview refrigerator offers both convenience and efficiency. Stay tuned as we explore everything the LG Instaview refrigerator has to offer. Design and build quality. The LG Instaview refrigerator boasts a modern and stylish design that will complement any kitchen decor. Its sleek stainless steel finish not only looks elegant, but also provides durability and resistance to smudges and fingerprints. The refrigerator is available in various configurations, including French door, side-by-side, and door-in-door models, catering to different preferences and kitchen layouts. The hallmark feature of the Instaview refrigerator is its innovative glass panel on the right door. With just 2 quick knocks, the panel becomes transparent, allowing you to see inside without opening the door. This feature helps reduce cold air loss, maintaining the freshness of your food while saving energy. Capacity and storage. The LG Instaview refrigerator offers ample storage space to accommodate all your groceries. Depending on the model, the refrigerator provides a generous capacity with adjustable shelves, door bins, and drawers that can be customized to fit your needs. The door-in-door feature allows for easy access to frequently used items, reducing the need to open the main refrigerator compartment. The fridge is designed with smart storage solutions such as the Glide and Serve drawer, which is perfect for storing deli meats, cheeses, and other items that require precise temperature control. The adjustable bins and shelves provide flexibility, allowing you to organize your groceries efficiently and maximize space. Cooling and freshness. LG's Instaview refrigerator is equipped with advanced cooling technologies to ensure your food stays fresh for longer. The linear cooling system maintains a consistent temperature, while the Door Cooling Plus feature delivers cold air to the door area to keep beverages and other items evenly chilled. The refrigerator also includes LG's multi-airflow system, which circulates air through multiple vents to ensure even cooling throughout the fridge and freezer compartments. This helps prevent temperature fluctuations, keeping your food fresher and reducing spoilage. Smart features and connectivity. One of the standout features of the LG Instaview refrigerator is its smart connectivity. The fridge is compatible with LG's ThinQ app, allowing you to control and monitor your refrigerator remotely. You can adjust temperature settings, receive notifications when the door is left open, and even diagnose issues using your smartphone. The refrigerator also supports voice commands through Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, adding a layer of convenience to your kitchen experience. You can check the fridge's status, adjust settings, and more, all with simple voice commands. Ice and water dispenser. The LG Instaview refrigerator features an advanced ice and water dispenser that provides filtered water and ice on demand. The Slim Space Plus ice system is cleverly integrated into the door, maximizing shelf space in the freezer. The dispenser offers cubed and crushed ice options, catering to different preferences. The fridge includes LG's UV nanotechnology, which uses ultraviolet light to help maintain the cleanliness of the dispenser, ensuring you get fresh and clean water every time. Additionally, the refrigerator comes with a built-in water filter that effectively removes contaminants, providing pure and great-tasting water. Energy efficiency. The LG Instaview refrigerator is designed with energy efficiency in mind. The use of the Instaview panel helps reduce energy consumption by minimizing the need to open the door frequently. The fridge is also ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. The inverter linear compressor in the refrigerator not only ensures optimal cooling performance, but also consumes less energy compared to conventional compressors. This translates to lower electricity bills and a reduced environmental impact. Ease of use and maintenance. The LG Instaview refrigerator is designed for ease of use and maintenance. The intuitive control panel is easy to navigate, allowing you to adjust settings and access various features with ease. The fridge also includes LED lighting, which illuminates the interior, making it easy to find items even in the back corners. The refrigerator's smart diagnosis feature allows you to troubleshoot issues quickly and easily using the ThinQ app. If a problem arises, the app can help identify the issue and provide solutions, potentially saving you time and money on repairs. Hack. Price and value. The LG Instaview refrigerator is positioned as a premium appliance, reflecting its advanced features, innovative design, and superior performance. While it comes at a higher price point compared to standard refrigerators, its combination of smart technology, energy efficiency, and convenience makes it a valuable investment for those looking to upgrade their kitchen experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the LG Instaview refrigerator is a cutting-edge appliance that brings innovation, convenience, and efficiency to your kitchen. Whether you're looking to keep your food fresher for longer, reduce energy consumption, or enjoy the benefits of smart connectivity, this refrigerator delivers on all fronts. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.